Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Half-Life. First, ensure the game is properly installed on your system, typically through a digital platform like Steam. Once installed, launch the game and navigate to the Options menu. Here, you'll want to customize your video, audio, and control settings to suit your preferences. Take a moment to understand the default key bindings for movement, jumping, crouching, and interacting with objects. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and enjoyable experience. Now, let's dive into the core gameplay mechanics. Half-Life emphasizes exploration and combat. Practice moving through the environment, combining walking, running, jumping, and crouching to overcome obstacles. When facing enemies, quickly switch between your available weapons and remember to reload when necessary. The game features a variety of firearms and a trusty crowbar. Don't forget your flashlight. It's essential for navigating the many dimly lit sections and uncovering secrets. As you progress, you'll encounter various objectives that drive the narrative forward. Pay close attention to on-screen messages and the dialogue from non-player characters, as these often provide vital clues about your next steps. Many areas require you to solve environmental puzzles, such as activating machinery or finding keycards to open new paths. Resource management is key. Try to conserve your ammunition and health packs, as they are often scarce and crucial for surviving challenging combat scenarios. To truly master Half-Life, here are a few advanced tips. First, save your game often, particularly before entering new areas or engaging in tough battles. This prevents frustration if you make a mistake. Second, take your time to explore every nook and cranny. You'll often discover hidden ammunition, health, or even secret areas. Finally, always use the environment to your advantage during combat. Utilize cover, explosive barrels, and even enemy placement to gain an edge over your adversaries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.